my lower and middle class friends, welcome to my estate. Today we are going to discuss dominance. Autosomal dominance, that is. Autosomal means the trait was caused by a gene located on one of the numbered chromosomes. And dominant refers to the uppercase letter in a Punnett square. Autosomal dominant inheritance is like a black Sharpie or whiteout, there to cover your disastrous error or a saving grace you didn't consider. It can also be compared to men and their tendency to overshadow anything a woman tries to do. Not all men, of course. In order for a dominant trait to physically manifest, at least one copy of the gene must possess a dominant allele. If a recessive allele, also known as the lowercase letter, is present, the dominant allele will win out because a Sharpie versus a highlighter, the Sharpie is guaranteed to prevail. Let us use Marfan syndrome as an example. Having Marfan syndrome is the dominant allele, and not having it is the recessive allele, written here as uppercase M and lowercase m respectively. If you have Marfan syndrome and your partner doesn't, there is a 1 out of 2 or 50% chance your children will have Marfan syndrome. And that's if you only possess one Marfan allele. If you have 2 Marfan alleles, the odds of your children having it is 100%, as you are guaranteed to pass down a Marfan allele no matter what. If you and your partner have Marfan syndrome, there is a 3 out of 4 or 75% chance your children will have it as well. You may be wondering, if only one dominant allele is needed to express a trait, does that mean having 2 dominant alleles makes you extra powerful? Well, that depends on the gene. For some genes, having 2 dominant alleles results in the same physical characteristics as having 1 dominant allele. But for other genes, the effects are amplified, such as with Marfan syndrome. Most people with Marfan syndrome are heterozygous, meaning their 2 alleles are different. Being homozygous, however, is rare and results in a more severe form of Marfan syndrome. That concludes this lesson on autosomal dominant inheritance. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off to assert dominance with my stepmother as I attempt to cut that wretch out of my father's will. Ta-ta for now.